friends, welcome to Technology for Future. I am here with the course of how to earn money on YouTube with lesson number 3. In this video, I will tell you what kind of video you have to download and what kind of videos are popular on YouTube, so let's start. Click here on the YouTube home icon. Now here you can see 3 topics: music, sports, gaming. Now I open my Miss Word. First, music, then sports, and gaming. Just think, we have got 3 topics. I write here more topics like food, health, then technology and funny videos. First of all, I highlight the music. I never suggest you to work on music. Now, sports. There are a lot of games in sports. I take football. Now there are a lot of things in football, like football goals. Now I'll show you on Google that how to search. Right here game, see I only right here game. Now I will give you an idea that how to search a topic or keyword. See here. Just give the space. There are a lot of topics. Now right here, football, and see a lot of topics and keywords are here. It'll show you. The top video viewers, it's about more than 1 lakh in 1 month. I will never suggest you to work on music. But there are of a lot of topics. Pick one and work on that topics.